Assalamu alaikum, Hazur.
Wa alaikum salam.
Hazur, my question is, why did Allah Ta'ala give man will like to do good or bad?
Human beings are the only animals who have been given wisdom and brain to use. Okay? So Allah Ta'ala has given us the option that and told us that these are the good things, these are the bad things. And if you do good deeds, you will be rewarded for that. And the benefit is not going to Allah Ta'ala. Or is not a game that Allah Ta'ala enjoying that people are doing good and bad. And also ask that these are the bad things. So that those who follow His commandments and do good deeds, they will be rewarded in the hereafter, and they will create peace and harmony in this world. So this is the option given to you because you are the perfect animal in the sense that you have been given wisdom and brain to use in and utilize all your capabilities. Otherwise, other animals, they have only one aspect of their instinct. Okay? Lions, monkeys, dogs, they cannot decide on their own. Rather, they are trained by human beings, so that sometimes if they do something which is against their nature, that is because of the training which human being has given to them. So you are the best of the animals. This is why you have been given this opportunity to distinguish between good and bad, so that you can create love, peace and harmony here in this world and given reward in the hereafter. ठीक है?